Hello, glorious families. Like I always want to, introduce stuff to you. Whenever I see something nice, I don't like to keep quiet. I love to let you all know. Just the way we talk about Bible, and we want to be conversant with the Word of God. So when I see things that are very nice, cheap, affordable, and of good quality, I love to share. So this is from TikTok Shop. This is Ancient Minerals Magnesium Bath Flakes. So I've always just pick up stuff whenever I feel like soaking. I'm not this person that really loves to soak most times, but the first time I tried this, honestly, I wish to soak every day. And I would like to ask you all that how often is it okay to soak? Because you see this is a different kind of bath flakes you've ever seen. Okay, actually we've always have the regular salt, bathing salt. I don't want to mention any brand name because I'm not in that area. I don't want to downgrade any product for any product, but I'm just saying that the regular bath salt, we are all used to that. I pick that in $3 most times when I just want to soak or I want my children to soak. So but this one is just, when I say something is completely different. And if you want to prove me wrong, you can try this out. This is just cheap right now. Is on the TikTok Shop. You can click the orange or yellow card below below this video. Just click on it and view this product. Check the sizes. This is in different sizes, but I think this is the largest bag they have. Now let me show you what this look like inside. This is purely different. I can bet you this is different. I soaked in this. It was full, and now this is what I have left. I was out, according to them, that if you have to do a full body, what's it called? Soak, that you need to use a whole bag. But my stingy self, so to say, I decided to spare some because I'm like, oh, this whole good thing. I don't have that patience to order another and wait for like a week before it comes in. So I just want to soak another time. So I decided to divide into two. I was very stingy to myself. Okay. Anyways, so let me show you what this looks like. Because this is kind of way too different from your regular. I'm telling you the truth. I'm trying to see what I can put this in. Okay, first and foremost, let me show you. I'm going to fold this bag down. I want you to see what this looks like inside. Did you see that? Take a look at this. This is what is glassy, kind of different, is dazzling. The dazzle part of it is what makes me so, it makes this intriguing to me. I'm going to be putting this in here. So if you want to do a full bath, it depends on the concentrate that you desire, okay? If you really want it, but remember whenever you're soaking on this, please try not to put it in your eyes, because I was catching too much fun that I did like this to wash my face with the with my bathtub soaking, and then it got kind of spicy in my eyes, and then it lets it right there. So here it is. You can see it's sparkling, it's white, the flakes, the shapes, everything is just giving. You might want to try this. And seriously, whenever I have to come online and recommend something to you, especially something that I'm using or that I already have, and I show you and I unbox in your presence, you see it, then don't doubt it. Just go for it. If it's kind of not 100%, if I'm not 100% satisfied, I will definitely tell. And so but this, it's 200 over 100. So I was exhausted. I'm always exhausted, okay? I have 6 kids. I'm always on my toes. I talk too much. I shout sometimes. I do all of that. So that day I was kind of, I didn't sleep until about, I didn't catch my sleep until about like 1. So I started this soaking thing. My daughter, they are all on holiday right now. So she already prepared this place like a day before my soaking time. So when I was supposed to soak, my bathtub thing was not working. I ran to the Home Depot to get it, and when I finally soaked on this, well, they advised 20 minutes, but I wanted to actually sleep in the bathtub because I was tired. In fact, I see why people drown in bathtub, because sometimes when you put up a music, I was having my 3 candles on, which I'm going to buy another one because these candles now, I saw them on $3 for just $1.25. It used to be $3. So, my greedy self grabbed 3. So I needed one more here. So I put on my flowers, And then, anyway, my daughter did actually. So my daughter set this place up, and then the candles were all on with their different fragrances, music on ear. I mean now, and it was even video music. Come on now, I was having fun. So I wanted to almost grab my pillow from my bedroom and bring it down here. Maybe by morning my enemy will be gone because I will have probably drowned. And somebody like myself, I cannot swim. That was how much I enjoyed this. So let me give you more details. Let me give you more details. So this is ancient minerals magnesium bath flakes. It says for body and foot soaks. Nice. Ultra pure magnesium salts. Okay. Now it is three. I mean, what number is this?
8.
It is 8 pounds, 3.6 kg. Now it says 250 million years in the making. Okay, there are so many informations you can read when you get it. Just ingredients: magnesium chloride, ancient minerals, magnesium flakes, approximately 47% magnesium chloride by weight and all of that. Direction for use: temperature of the water should be approximately 101 to 103 Fahrenheit, which is 39 degrees Celsius. But I will advise you, just what I did was just I turned on both the hot and cold. I just put it in my own, in my own
comfort.
Way, the comfort, the way I love it. Some people love it so hot. Like I had that soap with my daughter, and she was like, "Mommy, this water is too cold." I'm like, "What?" And the water was actually burning me. So I didn't want it that hot. But anyway, so I will say that because I don't know how to calculate all this, and I don't have water temperature tester. So just put it in a way that mix your cold and hot water and cold water in a way that is comfortable for you. And then they advise that you should soak for 20 minutes or more. But me, I could stay here for 1 hour. It all depends. That I talk without even letting you know why I'm recommending it. So after soaking, I was stressed. I came out so refreshed. First, it makes my body so relaxed that I was actually dozing off in the bathroom. Like I felt so refreshed. I felt so energized. Will I say energized? I don't want to use the word that is wrong. Like I felt like I was not tired before. So the kind of tiredness I was feeling after the soak, it was like the kind that relaxed my bones, my veins, and want to put me to sleep. So I'm not trying to make mouth here. That is how I feel. So I would like you to try, and I hope you have the same experience. But that's how I felt. I enjoyed the soak. I felt relaxed. I felt so relieved of my stress, and I slept like a baby. I woke up in the morning and I told my girl I loved what I soaked in. Okay, so anyway, that is all I can give you right now. So the next video, I'm going to do another video. I will tell you how to soak with this, just in case you don't know how to soak with it. So I will see you again in another video. But seriously, this company has done us well by giving us this beautiful pack of flakes to enjoy our bath. So are you gonna try this? Just go straight to the bath and order yours now, and give me feedback later. Okay, love you, bye.